Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. How to add video to your background in PowerPoint. You can do it, yes. If you remember, I have said you can create video for your PowerPoint, and you can also make video in your background. How to do this? So you will see step by step. So I have my choose any file, video file, and now I will just drag my video file to my PowerPoint. Just wait. Cool. So here is my video. Now maybe it can be doesn't take all the screen now. So I will put it in the screen. Where is it? To make it all in the background. Like this. Like this. Cool. What is the next step? Next step is to use animation. No, it's to remove the animation that has been added by PowerPoint by default. You will see there is, I think, an animation. Here is it. There is some animation. You must delete them. It is the first step before to add your own animation. Okay? That's added by PowerPoint, but we delete them. And now we can take an action for our video background. The next step is when you insert the video, you have these two elements in your menu, video format and playback. You will go to the playback, and here you have the choice. If you want that your video will play until you finish your presentation, you must click here, loop until stopped. Okay, if you don't do it, it will be stopped after how many, I think, I don't know how many time. It's 1 minute here, okay? But if you have small video, for example, 10 seconds, it will stop after 10 seconds. But if you need to be always in the background until you finish, you must click here, loop until stopped. That's what I want. The second thing, I want this video, when I start my presentation, I want to see it directly. It is like an image in the background or color in the background. It's the same thing. So to do this, you must here in the start button, you must choose automatically, not in click seconds or when clicked on. You must choose start automatically. Okay? So here just delay this one now, and you let this one. It's very important this. Okay? Now we have added some our video in background. I have customized how to be played in my presentation. You can see it, but before this, I will add an element to my presentation to see how it will appear. So let's add it, for example, a shape. So something like this. It's just to see our presentation, no? Okay. Not about design or inspiration, nothing. Just to see how it appears with the video in background. So here I will choose no fill, and I will add the outline. For example, the white will be good with this video background. Now let's add the weight, something like this, no problem. And I will add some text. For example, oops. Here, be careful. Yeah, you must be careful about your video. When you click, be careful. Now I will add the text. For example, title, just title, huh? Video background, something like this. Background. Be in the height. Let's put 5. I put it maybe in the no, something like this. Don't worry about the design. I repeat, don't worry about design. Just to see our presentation. Now I added just another title. So here, presentation. Oops. Top and let's move something like this. Very well. We do it very well. Very quick. Sorry. Top. Something like this. Okay. Now let's add an animation for this three element. Animation. So tag and choose. I don't know. What do you want? Wipe like this, and just here. It's very important to make with previews, and I will make something from this one and this one. Oops. Yeah, we can. And like this, just to delay something. Okay, now let's see our presentation. As you can see, here is the video and your animation. Very, very good. Can do what you want. You can't add your video in the master slide. I am trying to do it, but it is not possible to make it in the master slide. To use it in other slide if you want. What I mean, if you create new slide, you must put your video again, or you can make copy of this slide and use the content without the other element. Okay, so you can't add it in master slide. Also, be careful about when you place another element. As you can see, if I move the video, it is not locked. So be careful about this. So here is how to use your video in background in PowerPoint. It can be useful. Yeah, you must remember PowerPoint, it is not for video editing. No, it is not the purpose. You can do this functionality, but it is not for this purpose. Okay, if you need something that is very, very quick, you can use it, but not to edit your video or to create a YouTube video. I don't know, maybe as I said, something very, very little you can achieve it, but for real video editing, it is not for this purpose. So I hope that you have understand how to use your video in the background. See you in next video, inshallah, to continue our course, and take care of us. Don't forget, please, to subscribe to my channel, Faisal.Azib. Follow me on Instagram, Teams Not Winners, Faisal.Chico. Tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.